New tonight, recent court filings in the aggravated murder trial of accused Charlie Kirk assassin Tyler Robinson, painting a picture of a tug-of-war.
Chief investigative reporter Wendy Halloran has been keeping a close eye on this case where both the prosecution and the defense appear to be trying to restrict public access. Wendy.
Well, Heidi and Mark, this was filed on Monday by Tyler Robinson's defense team. It's about access to the criminal proceeding. Both the prosecution and defense are accused of chipping away at access to this case from the start. And attorneys for the media are fighting back for your right to know. September 16th, 2025.
I am filing a notice of intent to seek the death penalty. I do not take this decision lightly.
A high-profile case.
The battle lines are being drawn, the parties, the press.
A fight for access for the public.
The press is trying to insert itself, just saying we're seeing it from both sides, that it looks like they're trying to kind of elbow us out of it, and we're saying, no way, not in this case.
On October 30th, attorneys for the news media filed this request asking for advance notice about any petitions, motions, requests to seal, close, or limit the public or press access to any proceeding in the case, asking that the media be given an opportunity to be heard by being allowed to make an argument before Judge Tony Graff Jr. before anything was closed. It says members of the media and other interested parties should be permitted to participate in closure hearings to the maximum extent possible. Representatives of the press and general public must be given an opportunity to be heard on the question of their exclusion. Criminal defense attorney Nathan Evershed.
There's no better disinfectant than daylight. And that is what the media brings, and that's what they're arguing, saying that there is a genuine public interest in this case.
Robinson's defense team responded saying they do not object to providing notice, but that the requests are overly broad and burdensome, and that Judge Graff should not require them to provide notice about the motions they file. It says the state of Utah is seeking the death penalty against Robinson, and all participants have a duty to ensure he receives a fair trial, arguing that sometimes hearings need to be closed and documents marked private.
They're trying to lay out the groundwork, just saying, we understand that there's a public right to this, but he also has a right to a fair and impartial jury, and sometimes that public access will need to be curtailed. They're already laying the groundwork. This is a massive part of the case.
Evershed said,
in the absence of information, there is a vacuum of possible conspiracy that could come. The alternative then can be just wild conspiracies and secrecy and great public annoyance. That's one of the reasons why the media is asking to be there, and frankly, probably why they should be there.
Now I will continue to monitor the fight for access. Oral arguments are scheduled for January 16th and January the 30th. Heidi?
Thank you.